Decomposers. Many producers and consumers die without being eaten by other organisms. What happens to their bodies? Deciduous trees lose their leaves every year. Where do these leaves go? Animals produce feces. What happens to their waste? Dead organisms, dead parts of organisms, and feces are made of matter. This biomass collects on the ground or the bottom of a lake or ocean and is available for other organisms to eat. Bacteria and fungi consume this organic matter. These specialized consumers are known as decomposers. When something rots or decays, it is actually being consumed by decomposers. This process of decay transfers every last bit of energy from the dead organism to the decomposers. When the decomposers are through, all that remains are a few simple chemicals, which become soil, water, and carbon dioxide in the air. These simple chemicals are matter, which can be used once again by producers to make food during photosynthesis. Bacteria and fungi are the most important decomposer organisms, and their role in the ecosystem clearly fits the description of decomposer. But what about organisms like worms, maggots, termites, and even vultures and coyotes, which consume dead organic matter for the energy they need? Are they decomposers? Or are they herbivores and carnivores? Ecologists are still defining the roles played by the less glamorous but critically important organisms that clean up the dead and discarded bits of life. A thriving community of organisms works on the film of dead organic matter that covers much of the surface of the earth and at the interface between land and air or land and water. This organic matter, known as detritus, is the home of detritivores, organisms that eat dead material. Not all detritivores reduce the matter to simple chemicals. Worms and beetle larvae, for instance, miss a significant amount of matter and produce feces, which in turn are consumed by the other decomposers who can use the energy left in the feces. Decomposers provide many ecosystem services. In addition to recycling dead matter, they make important nutrients available again to organisms. Without decomposers, the ecosystem's recycling crew, Earth, would be buried under mountains of waste and dead organisms.